Only if you have the courage to stick with it will a scientific daily regimen be able to make you part of the 1%. So, are you going to take charge of your life and develop into the extraordinary man you know you are capable of becoming? Or are you going to stay stuck in mediocrity like countless others who lack the motivation and resolve to change? It is easy to read about these methods and nod in agreement, but it's another thing to put them into practice in real life. It will be challenging. It will be uncomfortable. It will demand a steadfast dedication to a daily schedule created to help any man break into the top 1%. Now that you're here, you'll learn the same routine. The subject of our video for today is a scientific daily routine every man should know. The significance of rising early. The bulk of you are wasting valuable hours of your lives by pushing the snooze button, turning over, and letting your dreams slip through your fingers. I know this one will hurt a little. You believe it's okay to waste your mornings on Instagram and TikTok while you're still in bed, but in truth, you're destroying your chances of greatness. Early risers have a direct association with success, as science has repeatedly demonstrated. Proactive, productive, and more likely to make wise judgments throughout the day are all traits of early risers. They benefit from a peaceful, distraction-free setting where they can concentrate on their objectives, make plans for the day, and prepare for their best work. So what's your defense? Are you really going to let your carelessness prevent you from succeeding? You must break the habit of sleeping in as late as possible if you desire to be among the top 1% of people. The first step towards taking your life seriously is to get up early, if not sooner. Just give yourself more time to start your day. Not everyone needs to get up at 5 or 6 in the morning. Set your alarm for 5, 6, or 7 a.m. tomorrow, or earlier, if you're truly dedicated, depending on how early it is for you right now. As soon as your circumstances allow, wake up early. Never, ever push the snooze button when that alarm goes off. Even if it seems like torture at first, get yourself out of bed and onto your feet. When you can genuinely focus on yourself and your goals without the countless interruptions and distractions that afflict the rest of your day, early mornings have a special power that you will soon come to understand. Everyone else is asleep, so consider it while you get crap done. Fuel yourself with that. Keep in mind that sticking to your warm, cozy bed will prevent you from reaching greatness. Wake up early every day and adopt the discipline to see how your life changes. The road will be presented if you have the willpower to follow it. Modules that resemble ladders have been laid down by us. A step-by-step explanation of how to reach the summit is provided in every module or ladder. From achieving peak masculinity, advanced hormonal optimization, persuading women to learn the game of transferring value, practical money-making tactics, and far more, you may truly become ripped, gorgeous, wealthy, and of great social position, since we've already laid the groundwork for it. You lack information and confidence in the course you are taking, not motivation, which is what you lack. You could keep playing around and following pathways that never lead anywhere in a never-ending cycle. Putting in place a potent morning ritual. Congratulations, you've woken up early. Although getting up early is the first step, do not congratulate yourself just yet. The way you spend those priceless early morning hours will distinguish you from the rest of the mediocre crowd. Create a morning routine that will prepare your body and mind for maximum performance all day. Don't let yourself be deceived into thinking that you can achieve greatness by merely going through the motions. No, your morning routine requires a methodical, determined approach. The brief shower and cup of coffee are not what we are referring to. We're talking about a regimen that tests you, builds you up, and encourages you to improve on the previous day. Exercise is a good place to start. Exercise is essential for both physical and mental health, and there is no better way to start the day than by getting your blood flowing and releasing endorphins. Makes you feel smarter. Make a commitment to a workout that challenges and motivates you, whether it be a brisk run, an aggressive weightlifting session, or a reviving yoga session. After that, feed your intellect. You can concentrate on your objectives and ambitions for the day by reading, doing meditation, or using visualization techniques. This mental workout is just as important as the physical one, since it gives you the mental toughness you'll need to face obstacles in the future. Give yourself the time you need to develop a development mindset and a sense of purpose that will motivate you. Don't even think of skipping breakfast. Breakfast is the most crucial meal of the day, since it gives your body and mind the fuel they need to function properly and gives you the energy you need to rule the day. We know you've heard it before. To keep you full, focused, and prepared to achieve your goals, choose a meal that is heavy in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. And please don't skip breakfast. You know you should eat it once you break your fast. Last but not least, make a plan and prioritize your tasks. Decide which ones are the most crucial for the day and schedule them for when you are most productive. You may avoid becoming sidetracked by unnecessary distractions and guarantee that you are making good progress on the things that matter most by tackling your top priorities first. This is how you get up every morning, and it's not negotiable. It serves as the cornerstone of your success and marks the distinction between the top 1% of people and everyone else. You desire greatness. You want to be a member of that exclusive club. After that, you must be prepared to work consistently. There are none. There is no putting things off. There is no point in snoozing and squandering your life. Putting emphasis on one's physical and emotional well-being. I'll be brutally honest with you. If you don't take care of your body and mind, you're hurting your chances of being the best version of yourself. Furthermore, you are jeopardizing your ability to like yourself. You can certainly struggle through life with a subpar body and a foggy mind, but you will never rank among the top 1%. And that's not why you're here, is it? To become more prominent than the common people and take your proper place among the elite. Physical fitness is a must, without exception. If your body is not in top condition, you are holding yourself back because it is the vehicle that will take you through your life. Get frequent exercise, a nutritious diet, and sufficient sleep. These are the fundamental building blocks of physical health, and if you are not following them, you are doing great damage to yourself. Don't even for a second assume that you can disregard your mental health. To overcome the difficult obstacles life presents you with, you need a focused, keen mind. To develop a strong and optimistic mindset, engage in mindfulness, meditation, and gratitude practices. The effectiveness of intense, focused work sessions. Do you want to know what makes the best performers different from regular people? It is not a result of brains, good fortune, or natural talent. It is the capacity to pay close attention to and put intense effort into a job that is actually important. And let's face it, you're probably awful at this. Constantly looking at your phone, mindlessly going around social media, and allowing yourself to get distracted by anything and everything. Plan unbroken periods of time to work on your most critical projects. Eliminate all outside distractions during these sessions, including the use of your phone, email, and multitasking. Give yourself the mental room you need to devote yourself entirely to your task, and you'll notice a dramatic increase in productivity. Well, these things aid in the transformation of a regular man into his best self. People should put these ideas into practice in order to accelerate their development and move them one step closer to their objectives and achievements. Are you guys inspired by this video? Please share your thoughts in the comment area. Take care until next time.